Hello my dear students, welcome back. Today I am here with the fourth part of the chapter disasters. Hope all of you have seen last three parts. If you liked and enjoyed and understood, don't forget to share your valuable feedback, which is really important to know is it beneficial for you or not. Students, here what topic we are going to discuss here. Today we are going to learn another and important natural disaster, that is cyclones. All are linked to each other. If you've seen the last part, you will get to see this today's topic, cyclone. Whatever we are going to learn and discuss here, that is linked with the previous topic. Okay, that's why I have said to see all the parts serial wise. So students, today we are going to know about cyclones. Here some point I have written, but points I will discuss today. First, what is cyclone? Effects of cyclone, cyclone warning and coping with the cyclone after the cyclones. Okay, so stay with me to see the video till the last to understand that concept or to know about this cyclone. Okay, so first we are going to know what is cyclone. Cyclone, actually we can say the spinning that storming wind which is having the speed near about that we can say between 120 to 200 km per hour. You are getting to understand that how much it is strong. So we can also add it form over the water bodies. It form over the water bodies due to that the low pressure formation. And this cyclone is known in different areas by different names. Like over the Indian Ocean it is known as cyclone. Over that Northeast Pacific Ocean, Caribbean Sea and Atlantic Ocean it is known as hurricanes. At the part of that Western Pacific it is known as typhoon. In Australia that sea it is known as Willy Willy. These are the different names. Even that also meteorologists are also having a tradition nowadays. They are giving different names of that cyclones. Even they are giving some male and female name, like Katrina's, that Rita, this kind of different names they are giving. Okay, so here we are going to know how cyclones it also can be devastating disaster for us. When the cyclone is forming, that it is not only limited over the water bodies, it is coming towards that land areas or coastal areas, and it is causing damages of that property, loss of lives also there. And here that's why we are going to know that effects of cyclone. I have written the effects, you just see. I'm going through that. Torrential rain that can cause flooding. When the cyclone is coming and blowing, with that it is blowing also carrying that moisture which is also causing heavy rain. Torrential means heavy rainfall that can cause flooding. Then next point, extremely strong winds carry debris. Whenever it is coming, it is also carrying so many debris and so many things from different areas, and it can also deposit in your area. It can make your area dirty. Next, damage buildings and property. Obviously those also houses and habitations are not properly constructed, it can also damage. You can see the scenario after the cyclones, even through that also internets, even different areas. I have given example in previous video. Through that the cyclones Amphan, Fani and different cyclones which is coming and attacking the coastal area. Due to that people are losing and people are becoming homeless. Then next point is 4, that destroy crops. Obviously that also crops can't tolerate this kind of high speed wind. Due to that crop also destroyed. Then capsize boats at sea. When this kind of severe cyclones will be there, obviously the meteorological department or meteorologists, they used to broadcast the weather report and even weather forecast they used to do, and through that radios, through the televisions, so that people can be aware. And those fishermen community, they move actually for fishing in that oceans and sea. they should be more aware, otherwise this situation can be there. The boats can anytime, it can capsize, it can sink under the water. Then uproot of the trees. Obviously trees you have seen in your area, when there is also for a short period of time a storm also blow here, so many trees it basically become uprooted, breakage of the branches. So these are the normal conditions you will see. Causes death due to that drowning. Obviously when that also it is bearing that torrential rain, due to that flood condition, and due to that people are drowning under the water. And not only that, due to that some accident can cause. Destroying communications. Obviously all that the power lines, wires, all that other that also wires and lines, it can totally damage. Due to that total the communication or the contacts we can also lose, or it can fail. Okay, so here the effects, even the electrical poles it can also fall. Okay, so due to that also communication and it also losing, as well as our life it can in danger. Okay, now cyclones warning and coping with the cyclones. How we can get the warning? The meteorologists to the weather also report or weather forecast, they used to make people aware. If there is severe situation, they also say, or the government they also manage to evacuate people from that concerned areas to that safe place for 3 to 4 days till the cyclone's condition is not also with, it means taking rest. As well as not only that, we should be, when we are getting that news, we should prepare ourselves by keeping all the necessary things at a place. It means by making our necessary kit, our first aid box with us, because we don't know what the condition will be there. As well as if we are having some also glass windows, glass doors, we should stay away from that because it can break, and before that we should keep it locked properly. As well as whatever movable things are there, we should keep in indoor, means in our home, and we should also tidy up all that things. Okay, so these are the things that we have to keep in mind to make us safe, otherwise the problem will be there. Then after the cyclone, if you have evacuated by the government, so you should not move to the home or go back to the home after the cyclone. You should wait for that the clearance from the government. Okay, you should not move without informing anyone, because you don't know where the condition, what also happened there. So that's why you should use a particular road or the routes whatever said by the government. Even you should not, that also even you should be more aware about the electrical poles, because due to that so many problem can be there. Even due to short circuit, not only there, people can die. So there are different also problem can be there. We should be very much aware, concerned about this kind of disaster. We should take necessary precautions to cope up with the situation, and whatever the announcement will be there by the government, we should listen that. Don't be panic in that situation. Hope you have understood all these 4 points, students. So see the video once again, stay with me to know more information about the other disaster in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.